If you want to link your Instagram business page to your Facebook business page, then you're in the right place, because I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing, what you want to do is want to ensure that you're logged into your Facebook account. There are multiple ways to approach it. I'm going to show you how to do it from Facebook's end. I find that way to be the most straightforward, right? And more familiar with it too, right? So you're logged in to your Facebook account, the account that you want to link. So I'm on the page right now, but currently I'm on my personal account. I'm logged in as my personal account. So and if it's on that, you won't gain access to your settings right here, which is where we want to go. So you need to switch the view. So I'm going to switch. So switch from my personal account to the account that I want to link. And of course, you need to be an admin of that page in order to do that. So now that I've made the switch, now I have access to the settings section on the business page. So we're going to click settings, right? So we've clicked settings, and then we're going to scroll down to permissions, which is right here. So underneath permissions, we're going to see linked accounts. So we click that, and as you can see, I have a WhatsApp number linked to this account, but no Instagram page, which is what we're here to do. We're going to link an Instagram page to the account. So we're going to click that, connect accounts, right? And of course, connect. And then it's asking us if we want to link the Instagram messages in the inbox so that we can have both in one place. Then you toggle that on. Of course, I believe that most persons would want it to be like that. But of course, if you don't want it like that, then you toggle this off. Hit continue. Right? So I'm already logged in to my Instagram account. So it's actually automatically pulling that in right now. So this is my ntech JA_JA Instagram account. If you're not already logged in, then of course you can click use another profile, and then of course you'd enter the credentials to log into that. And it would just be your username and password, or email and password, or however you set up that, right? So I'm going to go ahead and hit continue, and then it's asking me for my password, right? And of course my password is already saved, and I'm going to hit login. So it's just a matter of giving it some time. And just like that, it is logged in, right? So I'm going to go ahead and hit save info, right? And then log in as ntech JA. And then adding to your business profile. So as you can see the Facebook business page here and the Instagram business page here. Both of them are ntech. So I'm going to hit continue. All right, and of course it's sending me the security code. So I'm going to go to that. Let me just bring that up on my phone. So that's 12976276296. Okay, continue. And bam, Instagram connected. The ntech Facebook page is now connected to the ntech_Instagram account. Done. And that's how easy it is to actually connect the two. And why you would want to do this? You would want to do this so that you can, of course, run ads, and you can share things between posts between both accounts without having to double post. You share it on one platform, and you can tell it to share it on the other platform instantly. But I find it most useful for advertising purposes. When I'm running Facebook ads, I can run it on Instagram, and I can manage the metrics. I can retarget. I can do a lot of things across both platforms on the same at the same time, using one Facebook business and ad manager. All right. So if you found this video to be helpful, please give it a like. Please subscribe to the channel. On this channel, I share a lot of tech stuff, marketing stuff, business stuff, entrepreneurial stuff, creative stuff. Right. Peace out and take care.